Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about job offers. I'm assuming in this presentation that you've applied for a couple of jobs, you did your research, you went through some interviews, and now you are at the stage where you're receiving job offers. And you have to decide which job to accept or if you are going to accept the job offer. And I want to talk about what you need to consider before accepting a job offer. Making informed decisions about your career is crucial for long-term success and as well for career satisfaction. And it's a very important milestone in your journey. So it's important for you to carefully consider the different things that you need to take into account when accepting or not a job offer. And we are going to talk about this today. Before that, just a few numbers. Not sure if you will be surprised, but 73% of people give more importance to company culture fit, whilst 58% job security and salary, surprisingly, 44%. So let's start. So I will start, this is not in order of importance. It could be for some people, but I will start with compensation and benefits. When you evaluate compensation, look just beyond the base salary. The base salary is very important, of course, but also think about potential bonus. If you are in a sales role, are there commissions? Think about health insurance. Is it something that it's important to you? What about pension plans? Depending on your age and stage in your career, is pension important? I would suggest that pension is important since a very young age, even when you start your career, because it's the compound effect that when you get to your time to retire, you will have a very good pot on your pension, which will lead for you to have a better, enjoyable, and secure life when you are retired. Also think about other benefits. Do you care about remote working? Do you care about flexible work? What about growth and development opportunities? Think about what benefits matter to you. Don't look just at the salary. Look at the full package when considering the job offer. Another important thing here is don't be afraid to negotiate. Don't accept immediately what the employer is offering to you. Do market research, do research in terms of what other companies are paying for those roles, your seniority, your experience, and go back with a counter offer if you feel that this package is not the right one for you. Next point, company culture and values. Think about what is important to you in terms of culture of an organization. Culture as the way and the behaviors that the organization expects from their employees, not only the ones that the organization expects and the ones that are on their website, but the real ones, the team dynamics. How do they make decisions? The leadership of the organization, diversity and inclusion. You should be able to get a good idea of this through your research, the interview process, but if you still have some concerns, reach out to previous or current employees. You could get valuable information. Next one, work-life balance, and job security. If this is really important to you, for example, if you are building a family, if you have a family, do you need the flexibility? Do you need, for example, to work part-time? Do you need to mix remote work and days at the office? What policies does the organization have in place that are important to you? Check the stability of the company. How can you do that? In the UK, companies house financial reports, the annual reports that every organization is obliged to file in Companies House. A quick look will give you an idea of the financial situation of the organization. Another important point, growth opportunities and career development. I've touched lightly on this before, but make sure if it's something that it's important to you, that the organization cares about your professional development and personal development. What opportunities do they have for skill development, for trainings, mentorship, coaching? Is there potential for advancement and progression within the company? This is very important, and it's essential to stay competitive in today's job market. You have to decide what your highest priorities are and have the courage, pleasantly, smilingly, unapologetically, to say no to other things. And the way you do this is by having a bigger yes burning inside. So you need to have an idea of what you want in terms of your career. You need to have a dream, a goal, so you can make decisions to what aligns with your plans or not. So you can say yeses and nos. And I know that sometimes it's not an easy decision because money usually is one of the biggest criteria when considering a job offer. But think about it. In summary, before accepting a job offer, remember to consider and evaluate carefully the full remuneration package, the company culture and fit, the work-life balance and the job security, as well as opportunities for growth and for learning. And I've created a job offer evaluation matrix that I would love for you to try. You can download it on the link that is in the description of this video. See you on the next one. Bye.